Ghibli's dreamy art style has been a fan favorite for years, but have you seen this new twist?
What's happening?
Ah! They're coming!
Ghibli-style zombie survival videos. Honestly, they're wild.
No!
The pacing is tight, the tension is unreal, and once you start watching, you just can't stop. I've been playing around with Edimakor to make these myself.
They're breaking in!
Way better than I expected. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create these AI Ghibli zombie videos. We'll lock in a consistent storyboard first, then polish everything up into a finished short, all inside HitPaw Edimakor. All right, let's dive in. Step 1. Download HitPaw Edimakor. First, open HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, simply click the link in the description to download and install it on your computer. Step 2. Generate the storyboard. All right, let's build that storyboard. First, we need a solid zombie story idea and the right prompt to go with it. I've put together a complete GPT prompt for this. It includes the role, the full workflow, and everything you need to make a Ghibli-style zombie video from scratch. Just copy it, paste it into ChatGPT, and it'll brainstorm a bunch of story concepts for you. Pick your favorite one, and GPT will instantly spit out an optimized story outline. Once you're happy with it, tell GPT to generate a storyboard prompt tailored for image generation. Copy that prompt, hop back into Edimakor, and let's get to it. Head over to the AI Image tab and choose Text to Image. Pick a model you like, then paste your prompt into the box. Tweak the resolution, aspect ratio, and how many images you want, then hit Generate. Just like that, you've got a clean, professional storyboard ready to roll. Step 3. Turn the storyboard into video. Right-click on your storyboard and hit Image to Video. Here's where Edimakor really shines. It supports all the hottest video generation models right now. Whether you're into the trending Minimax H3, Dance 2.0, or Kling, they're all right here under one roof. Just pick your favorite. Next, jump back to ChatGPT and grab that video prompt we generated earlier. Paste it into the prompt box, set your duration and resolution, smash that Generate button, and watch the magic happen. In just a few minutes, your one-of-a-kind AI Ghibli zombie video is ready to go. Seriously, that's all there is to it. You can spin up totally different storyboards and turn them into unique videos whenever inspiration hits. And if something's not quite right, no stress. Edimakor lets you fine-tune every single detail. It's super flexible like that. Step 4. Publish to get free credits. Now, during Edimakor's back-to-school campaign, enjoy up to 65% off. Once your video is ready, publish to social media with hashtag #EdimakorBackToSchool to claim 60 extra credits. Ready to give it a try? HitPaw Edimakor is dedicated to making AI creation effortless and fun. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check the link in the description to try it yourself. See you in the next one.